the same thing every time. You ready?
I know an outfit and I work with it. Yes, we're ready.
All right, so this week we are here with Hermione's Corner. We are going to be making some super fun little bookmarks. Again, these should all be in your little craft bag for the week. If you don't have them, it's super simple materials. You could even just use some construction paper or white paper and color it in. All you should need today, along with what we gave you, is some scissors and glue, maybe some markers or something. All right, let's get down to business.
Everyone, welcome to Hermione's Corner, where we're going to be making 2 different bookmarks. Where's the other bookmark?
Right here. I stole it from you.
It was hidden. All right, so we're going to start with the...
We're starting with this one?
Yeah, the lightning bolt. I can get it in there. There we go. So you should have the little template, and we're going to cut this guy out.
Or if you don't have a template, just draw a lightning bolt.
You can draw a lightning bolt or print out one. I'm sure there's generic ones you can print out. Doesn't have to be a lightning bolt.
Or you could do it as a snitch.
Could do a snitch. What else could you do?
A broom. Well, that would kind of be hard.
If you were really creative, you could do the dark mark.
Yeah, that would be hard.
That's above my skill.
Mine too.
But I'm sure some of y'all out there could do that.
I was just thinking, if someone does that, you have to post it in the comments below, because I would love to see that. That would be really cool. Okay. All right.
So you should have your little lightning bolt. There we go. And for those you got a kit, you'll have a sticker. I didn't look at all these. Let's see.
You may have 2 stickers in your kit. And they're going to be too fat. So you can still stick it on like that if you want. And you could put like another piece of construction paper behind it. Or what I did was I cut the sticker to match the lightning bolt. I think this time I'm actually going to grab a little piece of paper and do it that way this time.
It's going to take me longer to choose what I want.
All right, so I'm going to stick mine on like that. So we just need glue. And you just, well, you stuck your sticker on.
Yeah.
And then we have, if you want to use, like we have glitter. If you want to draw cute little, like maybe Harry Potter glasses on here, you could do that. I know, right?
Not going to be very good eyeballs, but they're going to be eyeballs.
Okay, and I like glitter, so I'm going to put some glitter on mine too. Well, that's more like confetti.
Confetti is just big glitter.
Yes, it really is. Okay. And then if you don't have a hole punch, you could just use a little piece of little scissors and poke a hole through this as well. In your kit as well, you should have a little string. So you're going to feed that.
If you're like me,
oh, that's so cute.
This will be messy.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Because I'm good at that. Let them dry for a few more seconds before I try to hold them up. Oh, sorry, Ron. You're going to get it right to the head.
So there, so there's the one. It just needs to dry really well. Let's see. Here's the one I made earlier, so you can see. So now you got some bookmarks there.
Make sure your hole punch is all the way in before you hole punch it.
Yes. Fine. Any way you put it through works, as long as it's hanging out the side of the book. It doesn't matter.
Make sure these are dry all the way before you put them in a book.
Yes.
Otherwise, you'll have a glued-in bookmark. So I guess if that's your goal, that's probably. There's my Weasley.
Now we're gonna make the corner bookmarks. Yay! These are so cute and so much fun. Will's gonna make a large version, and I'm gonna make a small version. You should have a size of each in your bag. Again, if you didn't get a bag, it's super easy. Just cut a square out of paper. The thinner the paper, the easier it is to do. And you'll need some markers. We both have rulers here because the designs that we're probably going to draw on there, we want straight lines.
Or you can freehand it. Whatever you want to do. That's okay. And I'm not good at origami, so if I can do this, anyone can do this. Don't be intimidated by the folds. There we go.
I just got glue on mine. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
I'm going to follow you. I just have a smaller piece of paper.
Oh, okay.
So they can see what it looks like.
Let's hold your, I don't know if I'm going to fit. Yeah, hold yours up. So you want to make it into a diamond shape. And then put on it. Yeah.
So one of the corners is pointing towards your tummy.
Yep. And you take the corner that's towards your tummy and put it with your top corner.
The secret to origami is be patient, and neatness counts a lot. So just be patient, you'll get this.
It's okay, patience is hard for me too.
All right, got it.
All right, so then you're going to take one corner, the one on your left, and fold it up to your top point. So he's going to look like this now. And then you're going to take your other corner on your right and do the same thing. And you're going to take those flaps and pull them back down. So you're going to look like this. Then you're going to pull it apart right here and fold just the one down back towards your tummy. Then you're going to take one flap and fold them into this little pocket area you've made.
You may have to like kind of hold it together while you're tucking. Yeah, that actually has a really good shot of this one. Look, that one. There's one side, yeah, and then you got to do the other side.
And then you'll do the other side.
Okay.
So that's what they should look like. And this guy, I just took, do we have construction paper? It doesn't matter.
We can use one of these.
I just took construction paper, whatever paper you had, cut it out into a triangle and glued them in here. And then drew the Deathly Hallows on here, but we're going to bedazzle the ones we have now created.
And just to show you how they fit, like if you're reading your book, you're just going to slide it over your little pages like that. And you've got a nice bookmark. So let's keep going. Now I don't have any little awesome circles to trace, so I'm using glass. Anything you have around your house will work. Just click. So if you mess up like me, it's okay.
Your bookmark can be whatever it is you want it to be. It doesn't have to be Harry Potter. I know these are not Potter colors. That's okay. They don't have to be.
They don't. I'm just glittering mine.
Okay. You can do that too.
And that's what you can do if you mess it up. It's still super cute.